Hello Planet Mashers and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Today we are drawing some banners, together with several lettering ideas which you can find in one of my previous videos. I will leave the link in the description. You can create some amazing and very unique headers. So let me show you what kind of banners you can use in your different bullet journal spreads. Get your supplies and let's dive in. For this video, I am using my Art Journal B5 notebook as well as zebra liners, which I'm using for headers, and of course my favorite fine liner, which is Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens. Everything you see here will be linked in the description in case you want to check that out, including this amazing pencil pouch, which is also from Art Journal and is just hilarious. Okay, so let's start with the banners. As you can see, the basic banner is pretty easy. You start with just rectangle, then you add these little flops on the side and connect them. Here I am doing them in a very, squarey way, but you can of course always make it a little bit more fun, more wavy. The square ones are just kind of an easier to get started with and to explain. As you can see, I also have here many variations on this one basic banner, how it can be a flowing banner, it can be double word banner, and generally the key to creating a good banner is to make sure that the side flops are as wide as your main banner. Usually I am using 2 boxes for the width of the main banner. That way it's so much easier to make sure that the flops are the same way. Plus, that way you can play a little bit more with the type of lettering you actually use for the header. As we finished with the basic banners, I am creating several other types of banners which you can use for your headers in your daily or weekly spreads or habit trackers, basically anywhere in your bullet journal.